Here we go. I did actually want to be on the west side so I could see the sunrise, but it's still pretty nice. For anyone asking, I used my shovel for the first time today, so it made it worthwhile. If you know what I'm talking about. 30 meters away from water, 15 centimeters deep. But yeah, anyone that knows me already knows I'm a simple man. I see water, I go in. That is freezing. Oh, that is freezing. So this is Eco Warrior, natural chemical-free soap. So I'm not gonna be smelly fan no more. Hey-ya. Oh no, I've dropped the soap. It's not natural free. That was freezing. I wish I was on that side in the sun. That would have been nice. That would have been nice, but camp's ready set up, so it just makes sense to go now. Get back in my sleeping bag, warm up. That's the most important thing. And get breakfast on. Oh, getting soap in my eyes. My beanie on. Most important thing, keep your head warm. That will definitely bring your body temperature down. So there's a bit of sun peeking through on my side finally. So got the battery pack up because basically that's finished. My backup battery pack's finished, and I even brought my laptop just to charge everything, and that's dead now. So yeah, my phone's dead. My Garmin lucky has like 75%. It's really good actually on that side, and my GoPro has about 40%. So should be able to keep getting footage till we get to the next town, which is 4 miles away, where I found there's a bike shop. So I can hopefully just get either a new chain link, or just get a whole new chain. But we'll see what they say. Alright, until then. What this is actually really doing, because I've shut the tent doors, actually making it really hot in here. Nice and snug for me to warm up. Just give my chain a quick clean. I actually lubed it with my natural soap. I said it's chemical free, and it's just like some coconut oil and some other things. So yeah, I actually use that to lube this. Okay, so even though my chain did break, look at this. So this multi-tool, I only actually just bought 2 days ago because I actually left mine at home. If I had brought mine, my one doesn't actually have this, and this is actually a tool chain link fixer, or it's a remover, and put it back in again. So yeah, just gonna tighten this, and we're back up and running actually. Perfect. So I'm going to fix this, pack up camp, and get out of here. So it's only taken over an hour, but finally done it. Fixed my chain. It just took so long because I've never actually done it before. I've never actually seen how it's done. So even the tool, I had to work out how to use that. I know obviously it probably sounds simple, but a little bit more harder than it well, I thought it would be. But got it done. A bit niggly. But yeah, so it's about just after 2 p.m. to be honest. I took a easy morning. Obviously you saw I was swimming in the lake, just trying to recover, because yeah, I mean, after yesterday physically, I think obviously, you know, my bike was broken, but I think my body's broken as well. So we'll just see maybe if I can get to the top of Lake District and camp here again tonight, but we'll see what happens. Alright, like a campsite, empty. I've actually started to enjoy packing up camp now, to be honest. a nice little routine. Yeah, let's get on the road again. Oh. Oh, I say my body was finished. My body was finished. Oh gosh. Through that. Please leave this open. Look at that. Look at that. I don't have to lift my bike over no fence. Chain snapped again. I'm not even going to bother trying fixing it. I lost the pin. Yeah, I think if I take out any more links out, it's going to be too short the chain. So yeah, so I have to run out of time as well. This is going to take me quite a while. So I'm 4 miles from that bicycle shop. Everything's dead except for my improvising here a bit. Got one leg on the pedal, other leg up. Use it like a scooter. So I made it onto an actual road. And it's downhill, so yeah, the gear's not working, but it can roll and my brakes work, so. Oh, it's good to be back on the saddle though. More downhill. I don't know, if it was downhill all the way there, it's 5 kilometers away, it'd be perfect, but we'll see what happens. Even though, yeah, like, the situation's really, really bad. I mean, I'm in Lake District, so look at the views. It's not the end of the world. I've got enough water as well, so I'm actually not too worried. So I've got to push it up. As you can see, there's not really anywhere to stand, to walk. So I'm not in the best situation, to be honest. It's still 4.5 kilometers away. We'll see how long it takes. More downhill, we can do it, come on. We can make it. Nearly there. That's my scooter method. On the seat. But yeah, 1 kilometer away. Ambleside, here we come. Made it to Ambleside. It's just before 5, so I'm not sure what time the shop's shut. Hope I can make it in time, but I'm not actually too sure where it is, but once I get to that street there, I'll just have to ask someone. Oh.
They're 33. But when you measure this helmet, it's actually only 32.
Good evening.
Hello.
I've had a cycle brake, chain brake.
Right.
Yes, I'm not sure if I should get a new chain or if I could just
It'd be better just putting a link in it because your chain's already worn.
Yeah.
And then you know it's all meshed together. So all what you need is a chain link.
Yeah.
And I would carry a spare chain link anyway. You're not carrying one.
No.
Yeah.
So I got my bike fixed, which is a good thing, I guess. But yeah, as you can see, it's super busy in this town, and there's just nothing really open anyway. No cafes. There's only some like pubs and restaurants, all fully booked. Everything's dead apart from my GoPro, which is about to die, and my GPS. Yeah, I haven't even got enough water to make dinner. I ain't got my phone's dead, so I can't pay. I can't find my card. I think it's lost. Yeah, it's probably at lowest of the low right now. Just feeling a bit defeated, but we'll see what happens. I mean, it's quite late now, 7 PM. I don't even know where I want to stay, to be honest. So I'll just see what's gonna happen. So hungry. I don't want to waste any water, so just having these noodles dry. You just pour all the seasoning in, but yeah, in the pool they actually do a banging dish, but they have some fresh vegetables as well and some sauce. Just charging my soda panel chat. Hopefully I can charge my phone and I can buy some stuff. Okay. They let me charge my phone in Tesco, so I'm a little bit charged. But yeah, got that. I've got to make a move. Okay, it's 7:15 PM. I'm just gonna go as fast as I can, see where I can end up, and then yeah, just put up the tent, call it a night. My knee's feeling awful. I think I've blown it out, man. Found this little place here, look, in front of the stream. There's probably a footpath, but should be alright, just tucked in there. So I'll get my stuff over, of course. Look at that spag bog. Delicious. Come on. Look at this. I think this has to be my favourite cycle so far. I mean, look at this. The sun just peeking through the trees. Lake, mountains, the whole shebang. Oh, big booty, you know. I don't even want to fit over this. Just about. Yeah, it's a setup. 2 million of hike a bike. This is ridiculous. So I put a solid 50k down. I made it to Carlisle civilization, so I can use this as my rest stop. So I'm fully charged up now. It's Carlisle market, I guess. Yeah, heading on to the border. Scotland, here we come. Oh, flower of Scotland, when will we see you like again? That fought and died for your wee bit hill and glen and stood against him. Yeah, pretty much just on this cycle wellness dual carriageway all the way to Glasgow. So I found camp for the night. I'll put it here. Always be careful when you are pushing near trees, a lot of fallen branches, but I think I'll be okay. Of course, you can see this is a footpath at Scotland now, so we're good. Now you get a little bath here. Perfect. Tonight's menu, pasta al funghi. We're looking forward to this. So, gosh, you can see it's even like there's own little kind of like mushroom white sauce going on. Let's see what it says though. Yeah, so Yazoo and chunky cookies. Instead of popping a bottle for reaching Scotland, I'm indulging in this, but it's a little thing sometimes, you know. I've got my little down jacket you can get. I can feel already it's a lot colder here. So I've got a fleece on and this down jacket, and I feel so cushy. Anyway, night, catch you in the morning.